In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate the same character in Leonardo AI efficiently and effectively in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have all the details you need to achieve consistent results with your AI character creations. To begin, it's essential to start with a well-curated collection of high-quality images of the character you want to generate. These images are the foundation of your dataset, providing the training material for Leonardo AI to accurately replicate your character. It's important to make sure these images are clear, varied, and showcase different angles and expressions of your character to offer a comprehensive training basis. Once you have your collection ready, head on over to the Training and Datasets section in Leonardo AI. This is where you'll set the stage for creating a new dataset. By selecting the option to create a new dataset, you're initiating the process that will allow your images to be used as a comprehensive training tool for the AI. Give your dataset a clear and descriptive name. This is not just for organizational purposes, but also to ensure that you can easily identify it among possibly multiple datasets, especially helpful if you're working on various projects. With your new dataset in place, proceed to upload the character images you've collected. Take your time here to ensure that all images are uploaded correctly. Any missing or incorrect uploads could result in inconsistent training results. Now, after your images have been uploaded, it's time to assign a trigger word for your character. This trigger word acts like a keyword or prompt that you'll use later on to invoke the character within the AI's interface. Choose something unique but relevant to make sure it's easily remembered and not confused with other similar characters or words. Moving on, you'll need to determine the type of training you're going to select. In this case, select the element LoRa training as opposed to full model training. This approach focuses the AI's training process more on the specific elements that define your character, rather than on broader generalizations across many models. It's a more efficient way to ensure your character's unique traits and features are preserved in the generated images. Now, all that's left is to initiate the training process. Simply start the training and allow Leonardo AI to work its magic. The time this takes can vary, but rest assured you're on your way to having a trained model that can produce consistent representations of your character based on the materials and instructions you've provided. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have efficiently set up your character for generation in Leonardo AI. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the process. Feel free to explore different characters and refine the process as you gain more experience.